shot magazine should be alright for 10-15 minutes. Last time I was doing this, we got 111 pigeons in one night. That was pretty much a red letter day. And I got 2 broken ribs.
From the bull?
Yeah, he hit me hard, man.
Yeah.
You spend all your life around farmyards shooting stuff, and you think you got the measure of a place, and just one split second lack of concentration, and that's what happens. So there's a lesson for you guys back home. Always respect your surroundings, day or night. Animals, machinery, farmyards are very dangerous places to be, particularly if you're a feral pigeon. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. So there we go, that's the first barn finished. Now, I think we connected with 5. Everyone took a shot and everyone came down. There was a bit of flapping around in there, and a lot of the birds have kind of escaped. You saw the last one I was just about to take, he went out. There's 3 more barns here, so we're going to go and see if we can catch up with the other ones just around the corner. So I think that was probably our last one for the night. There wasn't as many here as we were expecting, but I think we've had a good 6 down and a good look round. We frightened a few out of the barns. I think they've been shot here pretty hard because as soon as they heard us, they kind of headed for the hills. But it really is a great thing about shooting with a night sight. As you can see, I've got the Vanguard B62 shooting sticks with a pivot on top, and it's literally just manoeuvring the Marauder around, scanning up into the beams, nice and steady. And as soon as you find a bird, all you need to do is just address the rifle, nice and steady. And I tell you what, those crosshairs, they barely move. Really strong, solid shooting position. But like I say, I don't think we need to worry about being quiet now, because I think we've cleaned them out. So let's go and have a count up. Thought we'd finished one slightly smaller one left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now actually we shot 7, but I have a sneaking suspicion the farm cat that was all over us when we came around is nowhere to be seen now, has kind of tucked into our bounty. So there weren't the 35 there that we were expecting. The majority of them came out of this barn behind us here. In fact, I think when we scared them out earlier, a couple more may have flown back in there. We had a good look around the machine shed, a good look around the hay barn, in all the nooks and crannies. Now it's really difficult when you've got that hay stacked really high to see all the way down, but I think 7 from one night.
Good.
7 shot, 5 picked, 2 for the farm cat. So do you think he'll be happy with that?
I think he'll be extremely happy.
Okay, so what are we going to do with these then, Terry?
We're going to take them home and clean them.
Yeah.
And cook them.
I think so, because they're a little bit skinny, but I think they're going to make for good eating. Because I didn't see any livestock around here. This is just hay here, is it?
There's a dairy about 300 yards this direction. That may be where most of them are roosting.
Right, okay.
Today they were flying around here, and there's a few here. But
Good.
I'll check on this other dairy, and maybe we can get some there.
So what do you think we can make?
We can make bacon-wrapped pigeon.
Okay. What about pigeon jerky? Have you ever heard of that before?
Pigeon jerky, we can sure try it.
Well, we're going to go and see if we can make... Actually, there's not enough there for pigeon burger.
Pigeon
But I think we might be able to make some pigeon jerky.
Pigeon jerky.
Okay, good stuff. Well, thank you very much indeed. Really appreciated it.
Thank you.
I'm going to take this massive haul now